Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below. Now let's have a look onto our authentication flow. We are in main.dart and we have passed sign in logic screen. And whenever we land on this screen, the first thing it executes is check authentication. If the user is authenticated, then the user will move to the home screen, else it will move to login screen. And here we do have two functions, that is receive OTP and verify OTP. So after the verification of OTP, it will again send the user to sign in logic screen, and if the user is authenticated, then it will move to home screen. So let's have a look onto it. So here, after we fill this and press this next, we want to make sure that we update the mobile number in our auth provider file. So I will rename this to mobile auth provider. So we will move to mobile login screen, and here we will go to the button next, and on press we want to update the mobile number. So we'll go with context dot read. Here we have to import provider, and here it's going to be mobile auth provider dot update mobile number, and it's going to be the mobile number. It's going to be there was a variable which we have introduced, selected country, and the next it's going to be mobile controller dot text dot trim, and we are good. So after updating this mobile number, we want to trigger the receive OTP function. So we'll go with mobile auth services dot receive OTP, and here we have to send the mobile number. We will copy this one, paste here, and it must be inside this, and we are good. Now let's save it and let's trigger. Another thing which we do need to update here is that here we will go with a bool receive OTP button pressed equals false, and we will go with an init state. Here we will go with widget bindings. So let's move to sign in logic screen, copy this code, paste here, remove this one, and we will go for set state receive OTP button pressed equals false, and here we are good. So as soon as we trigger the next button, we want to make sure that we update set state receive OTP button pressed equals true, and if it's true, then we want to return a circular progress indicator. So we'll go with receive OTP button pressed, then return circular progress indicator, else returns stack, and here the color is going to be white. Now let's save it and let's trigger the entire
flow. So here we do have this country code selected. Here we do have the phone number. Now I'll press next. We have circular progress indicator here. Now let's have a look onto the debug console, and we have landed in OTP screen. So there is another thing which we do need to update here is that this phone number. So we will go to OTP screen, and here we will remove this one and instead go with context dot read, and here it's going to be mobile auth provider dot mobile number, and let's save it. Okay, and here we will insert the OTP. We have inserted the OTP. Now we want to make sure that what this next button does. So we'll come up at the top, and here we do have this next. So on pressed, we will go with mobile auth services dot verify OTP, and this OTP is going to be OTP controller dot text dot trim, and let's save it. Let's open this again, and let's click the next button, and we have moved to our home screen. So what if we just close the app and run the app again? Now it's time that we have to see that our authentication logic is working perfectly or not. Since we are already authenticated, we should move to the home screen directly, not the login screen. So as you can see, we have directly moved to the home screen. It's working good.
Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below.